Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So today I am excited. I have a new mold. I haven't even tried it yet, so this is the first time. It's a little trinket tray. You get a little like container that you can put your jewelry or whatever in. So it's got the bottom and the lid and then like a little heart thing. So you can use this like in your bathroom, on your dresser. What I'm going to use it for, because the first one I'm going to pour, I don't know why my nose is itching, y'all. The first one I'm going to pour, I'm going to show you guys how I would do it, and I'm going to try some new stuff. I have the epoxy mixed up already. The boring part is done. I'm going to be doing ruby red, mica powder, and some gold glitter. So let's hope, cross our fingers, that this goes good. So what I'm going to do is I have all these really pretty butterfly and flower stickers. So I'm going to place them in the bottom of the tray. And I'm going to move you guys in here closer so you can see. But I'm going to go ahead and mix up my colors. I'm going to get some red in a cup and some gold glitter in a cup. And we'll go from there. Alright, you guys. So I have mixed up my ruby red. And I have mixed up the gold glitter. So these are pretty much the same colors as a coaster set I did for Barbara. Here's the little trinket tray. So I like red, so I found some really pretty butterflies and some little flowers to go in here. So what I'm going to do, hopefully you guys can see this, I'm going to put the flowers, butterflies and flowers upside down and put a butterfly here because they are stickers. Just putting them in backwards. So we have a butterfly here. And then another butterfly there. Then we have the little flowers. Try to get these in here just right. So I'll put a flower there. And then I'll kind of overlap the stems like so. And then we have that in there. So what I'm going to do is the border of this I want with gold glitter. That's the plan anyways, y'all. This is my first time pouring something like this, so we're gonna see. Really need some damn Dixie cups. Hopefully I don't make too big of a mess, you know what I mean? One's hoping. Alright. So we're gonna pour that there. Now, I just got this mold today, y'all. Literally. Just got it today, right? I'm going to do a little more. I'm going to go around just a little bit more, not a whole lot more. Let's spill some here. Hold on, y'all. But I'm also, see if you guys can see, the tip of this here, I want to put some gold in. Okay. And then I'll move this over here because this is taller. And then this heart here, I want to kind of get the gold around in the bottom. So I'll just kind of hold it like that. Oh. And work its way around. Like so. If that makes sense. You get this shit all over. I gotta pour a little more in here. Okay, there's that. Like I said, I'm making a mess. Like usual. Get a paper towel there. Wipe my hands off. And then this is the bottom part of the little jewelry container. And we just want to pour some gold around the edges too, if we can get it to go that way. You'll see what I'm doing here. I think it's turning out really cool, I hope. So far, so good. Okay, we have plenty in that one. We have plenty in this one. Plenty in that one. I'll do a little more. Make sure y'all can see. Okay, y'all can see. Do a little more here. Around the edges. Okay, so that's it for the gold. No more gold. So now what I'm going to do, even though I could let this cure, I'm not going to, because now I want to pour the red in. Okay? You guys kind of see. Oh, I guess I can move you back, huh? So I'm going to do this one first, if you guys can see. Might have to move y'all a little closer. Move y'all right here so y'all can see what I'm doing. See how it pushes the gold out? And you're thinking, oh, but you covered the butterflies, but I didn't. Because when you pop it out, it's the other side. We might have to mix some more red. Okay. Now I'm going to do the heart. Yeah, I'm going to have to mix some more. This is going to be just enough for that. Alright, so I have to mix more because I have to put some in here and in this one here, okay? So we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm literally mixing some more epoxy. So when you have molds like this, you're not going to hurt it if you just tap it a little bit like this while it's curing. In the beginning, it helps get any air bubbles that are down here that are trapped out. That's all you got to do. Kind of do that. So I am mixing some more right now, you guys. So just give me a few more minutes and we'll be back to pouring some more. Okay, so I have mixed some more because we need to put some in here, maybe a dab there, and we definitely got to put some more in here. This is that ruby red mica powder here. It's pretty. It's really pretty. Like I said, I'm a red fan. I love red. So let's go and pour this in here. The other object is you don't really want to pour fast. I'm super excited to see how these turn out for sure, for sure. Now remember, this one has the butterfly stickers in it. I don't necessarily have to fill this to the top. I don't really need it that deep. So I should have enough here to put a little more in each one of these. What are you doing, King? Fur babies at my ankle. That's plenty right there. See the bubbles coming out? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap that a little bit. You want to get the bubbles out. If there's any bubbles at the bottom, they will come out. See? They're coming out. That was perfect. Perfect amount. Alright, y'all. So you know how it goes. This stuff has to set for 24 hours. Honestly, this stuff here, I'm probably going to let set for 48 hours before I pull it out of the mold. This is a new mold I got. I have not used it yet. I have not even tried it yet. I'm trying it the first time with you guys. So I'm going to let it set for a couple days and then we will go from there. I'm going to pop these bubbles. See the bubbles coming up? This one's good. That one's good, but this one still has bubbles. I can also take my hand with a little rubbing alcohol and see? That pops them too. So cool. Alright, so I will see you guys in 48 hours. Hey, okay you guys, so this stuff is all set for, I let it sit for 48 hours just because it's a lot of epoxy and a thing. And I'm super curious to see how all this turns out. This is a new mold I got. Like I said, it comes with the little container with the lid, the little heart tray, and then another little tray. So you can use this anywhere. I'm going to use this one on my dresser. I always like to experiment with new molds, but I like to show you guys. This is my first time pouring this mold. So let's go on and pop out this little heart here and see how it goes or how easy it is to get out. Because I honestly, I don't know how easy this is going to be to get out. Now I see why some of these ladies have these special tools here to kind of get this out. There we go. Kind of go around the edges here. Ooh, that was not easy. All right, let's go. Better keep that stick right there. I'm going to tell you something. It's not easy to get this stuff out of these molds, you guys. Thankfully, I don't have any of my long nails on, because that would be even worse. This stuff still needs to sit for a while out of the molds. If I can get it out of the mold. I don't know, y'all. Without tearing the mold is the other thing. What the hell was that just flew at me? That's the hard part. Let's see how hard this is to get out of these molds. Oh my goodness, this is not easy. Whew, make your fingers hurt. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now, you gotta turn the mold back inside out. Ta-da! Look at that, you guys. Look at that. A little trinket tray. Actually, perfect example. I have my earrings sitting here because I took them out the other day. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect little trinket tray right there. Look at the gold and the red. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Okay, so we got that. Let's go on and do this lid here to the little tray with the lid. This is so cool. Now, this takes a lot of epoxy, you guys. So, as I know a lot of people are going to ask me how much. Let's get all this out first. Ow, it makes your fingers hurt. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at the lid. Look at the lid. Look at the detail. Isn't that freaking pretty? Because I did the gold and red. So our bedroom is done in Scarface, so it's a lot of black and red and white. But red is my favorite color, so if I wanted to do it. Here's the bottom piece. Let's see if we can get this sucker out. Ooh. Gotta kind of go around and loosen it up away from the epoxy. I know a lot of you guys are going to want these, and that's great. But just, you guys got to remember the time it takes, okay? The cost of materials. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. I will bring you guys in closer when I get it all done. Look at that. So you take this, look at that, and you put it on top. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking pretty, you guys. I freaking love it. Yeah. Yeah. Little trinket tray. You got the heart to go with it. That is so cool. All right, let's do this tray. This tray here, let me move this out of the way, because remember I put the butterfly stickers in it. First time using it, so we're going to see. Well, this stuff is not easy to get out. It takes a lot of epoxy. Oh my goodness. But you know what? I think I have a better way to put these stickers in. So what I still have to do with this piece, you guys, oh my gosh. Look at that. It turned out absolutely freaking beautiful. Is now what I'll do is I'll just take a little clear and put it on top to really seal those stickers in. You know what I mean? So you have this. Let me get you guys over here so you can see. So you have this tray here. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So yeah, I'll just put a little clear. So you have your tray. How the mold goes when you go to buy it is this is how it's set up. Like this. Just like that. You can have it anywhere you want. I'm going to have it separate because I have like my watch and stuff and my rings I take off at night. I'll probably put on here. But like I said, I'm going to put a little clear on this here. And this stuff needs to set still for a little bit. And then you can put, I don't know. This shows you how big it is. See, look at that. Look at that. Absolutely freaking beautiful, you guys. So thank you so much. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, share. It don't cost a thing. And if you're interested in one of these, I do believe I will be selling these for $40 because it takes a lot of epoxy. If you want your own custom colors, I'm just going to go ahead and make a couple different ones and get them posted. This turned out amazing, you guys. Look at that. The red and gold, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this is so pretty. Yep, I'm going to do $40. Just the heart by itself is so cute. It's all pretty. But like I said, this one here, I'm going to put a little clear in there to seal in those stickers. Just a little bit. Because it has a little bit of a lip. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I think it turned out amazing. Tell me what you think. Drop it in the comments. Until next time, you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.